A very warm and a hearty welcome to all of you friends. On behalf of the entire team at Gradeup, I take the privilege of welcoming each and every one of you for today's live session that we are going to conduct in your favorite YouTube channel. Gradeup's CLAT and other law entrance examinations YouTube channel. So today we bring to you the most important legal news of the day. We bring before you those important news that are going to help you in your examination for CLAT, ALIT, MHCT, Jamia, Aligarh Muslim University, whichever university exam you are preparing for your law degree. These classes are meant for each and every one of them. So guys, those of you who are in your class 12 as well as those who are in your class 11, if you are planning for CLAT 2021 or 2022 respectively, these classes will be of immense help. Not only for CLAT 2021, but also these classes will be super duper helpful for CLAT 2022 examination. Okay, so let's start with today's class. Today we are going to understand some very important news coming across the country. Okay, but before that, some notification from CLAT. Now, Gradeup brings to you a flat 45% off on your Gradeup Super subscription. Use the code MANTRA45. You just need to use the code MANTRA45 and you can avail a 45% discount on your Gradeup Super. Just use the code MANTRA45 and you can get a flat 45% discount on your Gradeup Super. Now, Gradeup brings to you an All India Mega Mock Challenge for ALIT 2021. So get yourself registered for the same. The link is given in the description box below. So just go to the description box below, click on the link, register yourself and sit for this examination. All India Mega Mock Challenge for ALIT 2021. Am I clear? To all of you, a humble request, please appear for this All India Mega Mock Challenge for ALIT 2021. Gradeup brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2022 aspirants. So those of you who are in class 11 and you want to get into the top national law universities of the country, here is your chance of getting through by just taking the Gradeup Super subscription and just following this comprehensive batch 3. Those of you who are preparing for Banaras Hindu University, Jamia Millia Islamia, as well as Aligarh Muslim University, we have launched a special course. We have launched a very special course for the same. Those of you who are planning to give this examination for the year 2021, here is a crash course for the same. Now, Gradeup also brings to you a new batch, a booster crash course batch 2 for CLAT 2021. Okay, so those of you who haven't got your Gradeup Super subscription, get your Gradeup Super subscription and then just attend these classes. These classes will be of great help to you. Now, moving ahead with the class at hand. There are 3 important judgments that we are going to ponder in the course of today's class. The first, that the Supreme Court of India, in a very important order today, has directed the CBI to inquire into scientist Nambi Narayan's case relating to leakage of defense secret to enemy countries. Now, an allegation against a former scientist. What was the allegation? That he had leaked certain defense secrets to an enemy country. Now, based on these allegations, Mr. Nambi Narayan had to be incarcerated. He goes before the High Court. He comes before the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court finds that there is no basis of these allegations. He was given a compensation of 50 lakh rupees. And the Supreme Court of India had asked a 3-member panel, which was headed by former Judge of the Supreme Court, Justice D.K. Jain, to look into this case in detail. Justice D.K. Jain, in his report, has said that there is no case of leaking of any defense secret by the scientist. And today, the Supreme Court says that since Justice D.K. Jain has said that there is no such evidence whatsoever relating to leakage of defense secret to an enemy country, it has asked the CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, to look into this particular case in detail. That's news number 1. News number 2. The Delhi High Court has allowed 50 people to offer namaz at the Nizamuddin Markaz for 5 days during the Ramzan. So, 50 people have been allowed to offer namaz at the Nizamuddin Markaz Mosque 5 times a day. Now, after the Tabligh Jamaat incident that happened in last year March, which was alleged to be the hotspot in Delhi, the entire Nizamuddin Markaz was shut for a complete 1 year. Now, since Kumbh is happening in full-fledged way, now elections, rallies are happening properly with and there is no such iota of the fact that there is a pandemic going on. No one can understand from the huge rallies that ministers as well as politicians are conducting in the poll-bound states. You have all the temples open, you have the great Kumbh happening in Haridwar. So today the Delhi High Court has allowed 50 people to offer namaz at the Nizamuddin Markaz Mosque 5 times a day. News number 3. The Karnataka High Court has come down very heavily on those who are not following COVID-19 protocols. People who are not wearing face mask, people who are not using sanitizers, people who are not maintaining social distancing. The Karnataka High Court has today said that right to lead a healthy life is an integral part of Article 21, and that someone, just because he is not wearing those masks, not taking proper precaution, will lead to someone else's violation or infringement of his right under Article 21. Am I clear? So more on these 3 important news in detail. So the first news, the Supreme Court has asked the CBI to inquire into the case relating to leakage of defense secrets to enemy countries relating to scientist Nambi Narayan. Scientist Nambi Narayan. There is an allegation against this particular gentleman that he has leaked certain defense secrets to enemy countries. Today, the Supreme Court has asked that this investigation would be done by the Central Bureau of Investigation of India. Now, the scientist has been accused of leaking defense secrets to enemy countries. Now, he was arrested in the year 1994. He says that he has not done anything and the case is nothing but has caused him harassment and malice in the society. Now, suppose a police lodges a complaint relating to leakage of defense secrets against a particular scientist. His reputation, his position in the society is damaged. Now, that allegation turns out to be a false allegation. The allegation that the Kerala police had brought against scientist Nambi Narayan turns out to be an absolutely false allegation. He approaches the NHRC, that is the National Human Rights Commission, and later to the Kerala High Court and then to the Supreme Court. Now, when the matter came to the Supreme Court appointed a 3-member panel headed by former judge of the Supreme Court, Justice D.K. Jain, to submit a report. Justice D.K. Jain has finally submitted its report. In that report, Justice D.K. Jain gives a kind of a clean chit to scientist Nambi Narayan. The Supreme Court today has said that the report means that the report given to this court by a 3-member panel headed by Justice D.K. Jain. The report says it's a serious matter which needs deeper investigation. It seems to suggest it's a case of commission and omission. We direct the Supreme Court Registry to forward one copy of the report to the Director of the CBI. The CBI will proceed in accordance with law. The CBI will be at liberty to treat the report as a preliminary report. So the report that has been submitted by Justice D.K. Jain panel will be considered as a preliminary report by the CBI while the CBI investigates further into this matter. Okay? Have I made myself clear to each and every one of you, both in app as well as in our YouTube channel? Is that clear? Great. Moving ahead, the next important news coming from the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court has finally allowed 50 people. The Delhi High Court has allowed 50 people to offer namaz at the Nizamuddin Markaz Mosque 5 times a day. The Delhi High Court was looking into the matter that owing to the month of Ramzan, owing to the fact that Ramzan is right now happening, now it has asked that only 50 people can offer namaz at the Nizamuddin Markaz 5 times a day. Now, this comes at a time when the Arvind Kejriwal government in Delhi has asked that places like cinema hall are permitted to function at 30% capacity, although there is no cap on the number of attendees. Why should Nizamuddin Markaz be closed? The question is, when Kumbh Mela is happening in Haridwar with flamp and joy, hundreds and thousands of people are gathering in Kumbh Mela. There is no such restrictions right now on temples or mosques. Then why should only the Nizamuddin Markaz Mosque be just shut? So, the Delhi High Court today, in a very important order, has allowed that in every day, 5 times a day, 50 people will be allowed to offer namaz at the Nizamuddin Markaz Mosque during the month of Ramzan. Am I clear? Have I made myself clear? Okay? Is that clear to every one of you? Okay, fantastic. Moving ahead to the third important news of the day, coming from the Karnataka High Court. The Karnataka High Court says that right to lead a healthy life is an integral part of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution deals with right to life and personal liberty. Every citizen of this country has a right to live with dignity. And right to live also includes your right to lead a healthy life. Am I clear? Right to life envisaged under Article 21 also includes your right to lead a healthy life. Now, what has happened before the Karnataka High Court? Let's see. Today, the Karnataka High Court has said that right to lead healthy life is an integral part of Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Right to lead healthy life cannot be obstructed by individuals who do not bother to follow the rules regarding masks, maintaining social distancing, congregation, etc. Therefore, when state agencies take strict views of the violation made, it must be remembered that it is being done for upholding fundamental rights of citizens under Article 21 of the Constitution of leading a healthy life. So, in Karnataka, certain people were found not following the norms of social distancing, wearing face masks, and others. Now, if a person is not wearing a face mask or not maintaining a social distancing, it might risk someone else's life. That is what the Karnataka High Court has today stated. The Karnataka High Court very categorically states that those people who are not following social distancing or wearing face masks, they are not only risking their own life but also risking the lives of others. Now, under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, every citizen has a right to life. Right to life includes right to live a healthy life. Now, right to life as mentioned under Article 21 includes your right to lead a healthy life. Now, if some people are not wearing a face mask, if some people are not maintaining social distancing, it is not only affecting their life but also others' life at large. And that is why the Karnataka High Court has come up with this particular order relating to the implementation of the COVID-19 protocol. As you guys are aware of it, that in India, the COVID-19 second wave has hit very badly. Today, in the last 24 hours, the active counts have increased by 2 lakh. So there has been 2 lakh people who have been infected with this COVID-19 virus in the last 24 hours. Delhi Chief Minister has announced a curfew, a weekend curfew on Saturday and Sunday. And he has also assured that if things are not right, then he might be forced to increase the curfew on Monday and Tuesday also. Am I clear? So keeping these things in mind, it is very, very important for each and every one of you, me, and every one of us to follow the COVID-19 protocol. Keep yourself healthy. It's very, very pertinent that we should be healthy at this time and we should follow the COVID-19 protocol, because across the country, people are suffering a lot. It is nothing but a medical emergency that is going on right now. Okay, so do like the session, do comment, do share, and do subscribe. Those of you who haven't liked the session, requesting all of you to just click the like button and definitely comment on this video after the video is over. Definitely you should share this video with your friends and others who are also preparing for CLAT 2021 as well as for 2022. Those of you who haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the red button, okay, so that you do not miss the notification for all our new videos. If you have any queries, I'm sure by now you must have noted down our official WhatsApp number. I repeat, it is 935044995530. And for any course related queries, you can call us at 96500-52904 as well as 9319599244. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, God bless you, and good night. Bye.